अस्सलाम स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम बात करेंगे अल्कोहल्स, फिनोल्स एंड ईथर्स पे। अल्कोहल्स, फिनोल और ईथर जो हैं ये कंपाउंड्स हैं, डिटर्जेंट्स में यूज़ होते हैं, एंटीसेप्टिक हैं और फ्रेगनेंस में इस्तेमाल होते हैं। Now alcohols and phenols are found when hydrogen atom in hydrocarbon aliphatic and aromatic respectively is replaced by OH group. Now an alcohol contains one or more hydroxyl group directly attached to the carbon atom of aliphatic system like CH3OH, while a phenol contains OH group that is directly attached to carbon atom of aromatic system that like phenol C6H5OH. The substitution of a hydrogen atom in a hydrocarbon by an alkyl alkoxy or aryl oxy group yield another class of compound which are known as ethers. Like if we attach OCH3 with CH3, then it will become dimethyl ether. Now alcohols and phenol may be classified as monohydrate, dihydrate, trihydrate, polyhydrate compounds depending whether they contain one or more hydroxyl group in the molecule. In case of monohydrate, you can see there is one OH. In the case of dihydrate, it is two OH group, and tripoly they have three or more than three group. Now monohydrate alcohols, they may be classified according to the hybridization of the carbon atom to which the hydroxyl group is attached. Now if OH group is attached to the carbon that is sp3 hybridized, then we can say it is primary, secondary or tertiary alcohols. Allylic alcohols, in these alcohols the OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon next to the carbon-carbon double bond that is to an allylic carbon. We have discussed it in class as well. So benzyl alcohol, in these alcohols the OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the aromatic ring. Now the compound containing OH group in which the carbon is sp2 hybridized, the alcohol that contain OH group bonded to a carbon double bond that is vinylic system or to arylic carbon, these alcohols are known as vinylic alcohols. Okay, if we talk about the ethers, they are classified as simple or symmetrical if the alkyl or aryl groups attached to the oxygen atom are the same, and mixed or unsymmetrical if the two groups are different. Dimethyl ether is symmetrical, whereas ethyl methyl ether and phenyl ethyl ether are the unsymmetrical ethers. Okay, we have classified the primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols is on the basis of depending upon your carbon is what is the hybridization of your carbon to which the OH group is attached, that will be the next to that group, that carbon. Now if we talk about the nomenclature, name of alcohol is derived from the common name of alkyl group and adding OH OL to the end of that. The name of the alcohol is derived from the name of the alkane from which its alcohol is derived by substituting E of the alkane with suffix ol. The position of substituents are indicated by numerals. The longest carbon chain, parent chain, is numbered starting at the end nearest to the hydroxyl group. Position of OH group and the other substituents are indicated by using the numbers. Naming polyhydric alcohol, the E of the alkane is retained and ending OL is added. Number of OH group is indicated by adding the multiplicative like prefix, di, tri, so on. Position of the OH group are indicated by the appropriate locants. Now this is a table with compound with some common names and IUPAC names of some alcohols like methyl alcohols, isobutyl alcohols, tertiary butyl alcohols. Cyclic alcohols are named using the prefix cyclo and considering the OH group attached to carbon 1. Simplest hydroxy derivative of benzene is phenol. As a common name and can be accepted as IUPAC name. Structure of phenol involves benzene ring substituted compound, the term ortho-1,2 disubstituted, meta-1,3 disubstituted, and para-1,4 disubstituted are often used in the common names. So these are few examples of common names of IUPAC names of these alcohols. Phenol is both is common in IUPAC name are phenol, but here it is 2-methyl phenol, which is alpha carisol and metacarisol. These are then catechol, then resarcinol. These are the position of OH, different position of OH groups. Common name of the ethers are derived from the name of alkyl aryl groups written as separate word in alphabetical order and adding the word ether at the end. For example, we will write ethyl, methyl, ether. The common names of some. This is the table for their names, common and IUPACs. One like dimethyl ether is its IUPAC name is methoxymethane. डाईइथाइल ईथर ethoxy ethane. So इसी तरह जो है वो others are given in the table. So this is the recap for a common name where the group will be attached and what will be the name of the compound. Like in the first case it is 4-chloro 2,3-dimethyl pentane 1-ol. Okay, structure and function of group alcohols. Oxygen of the OH group is attached to the carbon of the sigma bond formed by the overlap of sp3 orbital of the carbon with sp3 orbital of the oxygen, like methanol, phenol. The bond angle in alcohol is slightly less than the tetrahedral angle. It is due to the repulsion between the unshared electron pairs of the oxygen. The phenol, the OH group, is attached to sp2 orbital with carbon of aromatic ring. The carbon and oxygen bond length is 136 ppm. In ether, there are 4 electron pairs. The 2 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs of electron and oxygen are arranged approximately in tetrahedral arrangement. The bond angle is slightly greater than the tetrahedral angle due to repulsive interaction between two bulky groups. Here, the bond length is 141 picometers. Okay, we will discuss later on the preparation of alcohol.